Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a hyperlink to a picture in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, insert the picture. Go to the insert menu, select picture option, choose this device. Now I am select an image from our file and click insert. Now we can see here a flower image. Now we want to create hyperlink to this image. Go back the insert menu, select the picture and click link option. Then we can see here many options. Now we select the page in this document. Here sheet 1 or sheet 2. Now I am link the picture in sheet 2. Click OK. Then press and hold the control, then select the picture and automatically go to the sheet 2. You can hyperlink in another sheet. Now we can see we create hyperlink to picture in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.